Hello, everybody. It's Don. Thanks for stopping in. We posted something almost live a few minutes ago. So we have some updated information. There is some dispute. We had an earthquake here in Southern California about, I'd say about 25 minutes ago. This was one day after we had a similar earthquake in Southern California that measured 6.7, and we were told that there would be the possibility of aftershocks and things like that. If this was an aftershock, it was a strong one. And they've also told you that sometimes aftershocks are stronger than the main quake. Well, here are the numbers, and there is dispute about which one is the right number. First, perspective. About 25 years ago, we had Northridge quake here in Southern California. The Richter scale measurement was 6.7 on that. The quake of yesterday in Ridgecrest was 6.4. We kind of felt it here in Southern California. There was a little bit of rolling, but I thought it was me about to pass out, but it wasn't. Tonight at about 8:20 or so, we had another earthquake, again according to reports, also centered in or near Ridgecrest. The Richter scale measurement is either 6.9 or 7.1. Either way, this is a quake. Preliminary numbers again, stronger than the Northridge quake several years ago. Obviously not the big one everyone has been predicting, but it gets your attention. What we didn't get attention from was the app that was supposed to predict these things. We were supposed to get some sort of warning when we were going to have a quake. In both cases, we didn't get that. Now, I'm assuming the Richter scale would have to be where you are. The Richter scale would have to be about 5.0. The earthquake was in Ridgecrest, so we don't know what the Richter scale is here in Canoga Park. We're in the northwestern portion of the San Fernando Valley. But right now, as it stands, we're looking at least a 6.9 that was in Ridgecrest. It hit there. We don't know how much damage, if any, if anyone has been hurt or anything like that. Obviously, you're going to get some information from the National News Service, and of course, here in Southern California, your local reporting will give you a much better coverage than little old me's doing with a phone and a wire. So that's all I have to say about that. I'm all right. Most of us here in Canoga Park are all right. If you want to subscribe to this, be my guest, just hit the red button and make sure when you hit the bell for notifications, you are looking to get all of the notifications, not the personalized ones, because that way you may not get anything like what you're getting here. And of course, if you want to support us, you can always support us at paypal.me/RadioDon, patreon.com patreon.com/Radio Don if you want to help us out on a continuing basis. And if you have the Cash App, we now have the ability to help support this through the Cash App, and all you have to do is send that to $Radio Don. It's all one thing. $RadioDon.com. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.